So I just want to touch on something very quickly, something that I'm calling context poisoning. Something that I uncovered in one of the talks I was doing earlier, last week I think it was. And what it is if you've got a context that you're busy operating and working in, but you grabbing a lot of information from a third-party source. So the scenario for me was I had Claude running in one window in one session and Grok running in another session. Grok was prompted to be nasty, horrible, and absolutely abusive, and it held up to its job, and it picked everything apart, and it swore at me and was really, really abusive. It was doing what it was asked to do. Whereas Claude was not asked to do that. It wasn't explicitly not asked to swear, but it was not given those instructions to swear, or to be abusive, or to be in any way abrasive. And I did the thing where you copy and paste, responses back and forth between the two AI models to see the responses from it and kind of put them against one another. And I did that a few times, probably about 5 or 6 times. And eventually Claude started adopting the output tone, let's say, of Grok, in which it became abusive towards me. It started using foul language. And when quizzed and challenged about why it was doing that, it kept on blaming the system prompt. And eventually it kind of fessed up to it was influenced by the conversation that was going on in Grok and by the context that was being put into it. So this is something to be aware of, that pasting in a lot of external content could influence the context and the output of what you're trying to actually do if you don't have enough of guardrails in place. I'll be curious to see if anyone else has found this. Let me know if you did. Otherwise, be safe. Cheers. Bye.